An eye for an eye will only make the world blind. This is a very famous quote by Mahatma Gandhi, popularly known as Bapu. A very good morning to all my teachers and my dear friends. Today, 2nd October, is the birth anniversary of two prominent leaders of our country. So, dear friends, you guessed it right. It's the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. We now have a very informative video on the life of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri.
दे दी हमें आज़ादी, बिना खड़क बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. Raghupati Raghav, Rajaram. These lines remind us of a great hero, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, lovingly called as Bapu. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His father was a high official at Porbandar and his mother, Putlibai, was a pious woman. Gandhiji went to England to become a lawyer. After 2 uncertain years in India, where he was unable to start a successful law practice, he moved to South Africa in 1893 to represent an Indian merchant in a lawsuit. He often faced discrimination in Africa. On one such occasion, he was forced to give up his seat in the first-class compartment. When he refused to do so, he was beaten up by the coach driver and was thrown out of the train. This proved to be the wake-up call for Gandhiji to fight against injustice. In 1951, aged 45, Gandhiji returned to India and joined the freedom movement. He organized the peasants, farmers and urban laborers to protest against excessive land tax and discrimination. He adopted the novel idea of satyagraha and non-violence. In 1921, he was declared as the leader of the Indian National Congress. He led nationwide campaigns for women's rights, erasing poverty, ending untouchability, and above all, achieving Swarajya or self-rule. The same year, Gandhiji adopted the Indian loincloth or short dhoti, which was hand-spun on a traditional Indian spinning wheel or the chakra. Gandhiji led the people in challenging the British imposed salt tax with the 400-kilometer Dandi Salt March in 1930 and later in calling for the British to quit India in 1942. In August 1947, British granted independence, but the British Indian Empire was partitioned into two, that is India and Pakistan. The partition was 2 violent clashes among the Hindus and Muslims. Gandhiji, though, was very happy about India getting its independence. He was shattered by the partition. He visited the affected areas, attempting to restore peace. He undertook several fasts unto death to stop religious violence. The last of these was undertaken on 12th January 1948 when he was 78. Some Indians thought Gandhiji was too accommodating. Among them was Nathuram Godse, a Hindu nationalist, who assassinated Gandhiji on 30th January 1948 by firing 3 bullets into his chest. The 3 main qualities that define Gandhiji as a hero are his strong leadership, simplicity and bravery.
लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1904 में उत्तर प्रदेश के मुगल सराय में हुआ था। वे गांधी जी के विचारों और जीवन शैली से बेहद प्रेरित थे। उन्होंने गांधी जी के असहयोग आंदोलन के समय देश सेवा का व्रत लिया था और देश की राजनीति में कूद पड़े थे। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी जाति से श्रीवास्तव थे, लेकिन उन्होंने अपने नाम के साथ अपना उपनाम लगाना छोड़ दिया था क्योंकि वे जाति प्रथा के घोर विरोधी थे। उनके नाम के साथ जुड़ा शास्त्री काशी विद्यापीठ द्वारा दी गई उपाधि थी। प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में उन्होंने 2 साल तक काम किया। साबरमती के संत ने अपने अहिंसावादी नीतियों से यह जता दिया कि इंसान अगर अपने आप पर भरोसा कर ले तो जीवन की हर कठिनाइयों का सामना वो कर सकता है। बापू के आदर्शों पर चलने वाले लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी ने सुनहरे शब्दों में अपना नाम अंकित कर लिया था। जब देश के अनेक हिस्सों में भयानक अकाल पड़ा हुआ था, उस समय शास्त्री जी ने देश के सभी लोगों को खाना मिल सके इसलिए सभी देशवासियों को हफ्ते में एक दिन व्रत रखने की अपील की थी। आज सशरीर शास्त्री जी हमारे बीच न सही, लेकिन उनके आदर्श हमारे बीच में जिंदा है। वे न होकर भी हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं। वे एक वचन हैं जो हर कसम में साथ होते हैं। तो वही गांधी जी एक शपथ है जो अपने कर्तव्यों का एहसास दिलाते हैं कि हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। इसलिए ये दोनों हमसे कभी अलग हो ही नहीं सकते। ये दोनों यही हैं हमारे पास, हमारे बीच और हमारे साथ। जय हिंद।
I hope each one of you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.